What's up, everybody? In this video, I'm just doing an unboxing of this Rode NT USB mini microphone. Now, this microphone is just a portable, compact USB microphone that you can connect it directly into your desktop or your laptop. That it's great for podcasting. So it's really easy to use. It's really simple to set up, but I'm not going to go through that with you on this video. I'm just going to do an unboxing of this, and we'll just kind of take a look at what's in the box. And I'm using this really cool blue samurai pocket knife. This pocket knife, this thing, y'all, is really sharp. So I got it off of Amazon. It wasn't that expensive. So it's a really cool little pocket knife to use for your unboxings. It's really cool, really neat, really cool, really sharp. So you all be careful with it. Set this thing over to the side. It's kind of forget how to sometimes close this thing up. So it's a little lever here on the inside. You just pull the lever over a little bit, pull it over, and you just close it back up. So you guys be careful with this. See what we got in the box, guys. Now, I got a lot of Rode products. I use Rode products, microphones. I also use the Rodecaster Pro, if any of you all are familiar with that. I'll do a video on that in the future. If you can see behind me, I don't know if you can see it behind me, but I've got a Rode Pod mic that I use as well. Super quality sound, great products. So let's see what we got in here. We've got just some literature. Let's pull this thing out. Let's see what we got here. Guess we've got oh, there we go. We gotta pull it out. We got the Pod mic. I'm sorry, this is not the Pod mic. I'm thinking of the one behind me. This is the NT USB Mini. You got your microphone. Let's see what else we got here. See if we can get all this stuff out. Got it kind of packed in here really well. What also is in here is that this microphone, it comes with a base. Comes with a cool little base, a little stand. What else we got here? You got a USB cable. What else? I think that's all we got in here, guys. Check the box just to make sure. Yeah, that's all empty. That's all we got. As you can see, this is what it looks like on the box. And let's see how, you know what? This is really cool. You know how this connects, guys? This connects. This is cool. This connects via a magnet. And it's pretty strong as well. So all you have to do is just, look at this. It just connects. Magnet. Really strong. Look at that. It's a magnet. No threads, no screwing. Just a magnet. Sets up just like that. Looks really cool, really small, really compact. And like I said, this is not a review. This is just an unboxing of the Rode NT USB mini microphone. It's a compact microphone for doing a podcast using your desktop or using your laptop. If you want to get into podcasting, you're not looking for a bunch of complicated equipment, you can use this along with Rode's software that you can download for free. It's called Rode Connect, and you can start podcasting right away. Just simple and easy. All right, got to get out of here, folks. Thanks a bunch. We'll see you in the next one. And also be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the thumbs up button as well if you like what we're doing on the channel. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.